Let's go exploring with Daniel Cook right here on the Veritable Quandary.
Here we are!
This is Daniel Cook making a puppet. I'm here with Mike, and today he's going to teach me how to make a puppet. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Daniel. Nice to meet you.
This is Daniel Cook on a bike, in a plane, on a farm, playing games with many places and friendly faces. We'll have lots of fun with Daniel Cook.
What's your favorite kind of puppet that you've made?
My favorite kind of puppet? That's a hard question. My favorite kind of puppet, I think, is a hand puppet. Hand and rod puppet. Want me to show you one? All right, this one. This is a hand and rod puppet. And he's called a hand and rod puppet because your hand goes inside. And then you control his arms with these rods. Hello. Hi, Daniel. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you, Daniel. Are you having a good day?
Are you having a good day?
I am. Yes, thanks for asking. I'm having a very good day.
I'm glad.
So that's my favorite kind. Okay, Daniel, you and I are going to do a puppet show. But first we need to make the puppets, yes? Okay, let's think about what kind of puppet you want to make.
Maybe a scorpion? A big giant, robotic one.
Orange?
Yeah, it's sort of close to it.
Here, Daniel, do you see this dragon that I showed you? His body is made from a tube, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, there, roll that up. What color would you like the head to be of yours? I don't have red.
Orange?
Great, it matches. Make the V into an M. V, M, V, M, like that, okay? And now this is the head of the puppet. Hello, Daniel. Very good, sir. Make a nice crease.
And now I'm pulling it into an M.
Pardon?
Yeah.
So there's the body and the head. Hands?
Claws.
My mistake. Claws. Of course, a scorpion would have claws. Do you like making a mess?
I don't think it's worth making a craft if it's not messy.
That's true. Now this one will be a slightly floppier arm. What color do you want to make the scorpion's tail?
I'm actually seeing like maybe orange. Should I start putting eyes on my scorpion?
Yes, I'm going to show you a special trick, Daniel, that's very easy for making eyes for these kind of puppets. Have these stickers?
Ones? I can see!
Is it good?
Yeah.
Let me see. Daniel, hello.
Let's go to our puppet show now.
Absolutely.
Is this your puppet stage?
Yes, this is my puppet stage.
I think for a puppet show, they should be friends.
This is the question. Should they sing a song?
Yeah, maybe. How about,
Okay.
we're hungry, we're really, really hungry. We're really, 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 really hungry. Sing!
Oh, sorry. We're hungry, we're hungry.
We're really, really hungry.
We're hungry, we're hungry.
Mommy!
Mommy!
This is Daniel Cook putting on a puppet show.
One, two, three, go.
Hey, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
We're hungry, we're really, really hungry.
We're hungry, we're really, really hungry. Oh, my face fell off.
Good.
There. What should we eat? Who should we eat today?
Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh hey, you two guys! Hello, Scorpion. Hello, Dragon. What's going on here?
We really love your playing.
Oh, you love my piano playing, do you? Well, thank you very much, Scorpion.
Yeah, is there any tickets left for your show?
Yeah, we want to see it.
But I forgot my piano, the Scorpion.
Here, I'll get it.
Thanks. Will you bring my piano up? Oh, you're gonna love this show.
Oh, I'm really excited about it. Oh, there. Your piano is on a plate.
Scorpion, that's a good stage. Okay, here's my song. I love that song. There you go. No, that's supposed to happen. My piano always falls off the stage after I play.
Wow, that's great playing. Encore! Encore!
No. You mean entree. Entree.
Oh yeah, delish. Wow, oh boy.
Thank you so much, Mike, for teaching me how to make puppets. I had a lot of fun.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
This episode is over, but the very best of my collection is banned on YouTube. To see what you have been missing, go to archive.org and search for Gyro Screwloose, and I'll see you there.